Okay, over here, my best buds, where my bus is. Open the door here. I think it's wet. Uh, and haven't tried to start this or anything in at least 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. I don't know. It's pretty dry in here. Got an echo, which is good. My foams, they're starting to dry. I don't know if I can use them for something or not, but ain't no sense to waste them. But I got you guys here for the ride along. We're gonna get the key out where I got it. And we're gonna see what she'll do. The batteries might be dead because it's been in, with the wind chill, it's probably been close to I'd say 10 degrees at the coldest up here. Make sure all of our switches are off. We gotta wait till that light goes out. This one right here. It went out. Let's see if we can start it. I'm gonna pull the throttle up a little bit. That's what this is for. It's turning over, it just ain't firing off. I don't know if that buzzing's for, no. Wait until our light goes off again, see if it works. Alright. We're gonna keep her right around 7. I'm gonna let it run while I'm working on a truck. I'll let it warm up some, then I'm gonna let it idle. Still gotta get over here and start on this floor. It's solid. This stuff right here is surface rust. This is rusted, a little like surface rust, but a little more, not too much. The worst spots is right there on the whole thing. This right here, it's just where the seat was. So sand that down, take surface rust, and this is where they put some other screws, because you can see where I cut it out. So I'll cut them out like that, patch them. So Alright, let's see if we can get the auto down. Alright, we're going to let her run. So if you like this short video of me just firing up the bus after 2.5 weeks, close to 3 weeks, give me a thumbs up. Didn't thumbs down, at least watch one. Please subscribe and bye till later.